So, good morning. Next video. Last time I did the concrete base of the inspection hole, the manhole, to access the power lines which go from the house to the entrance gate. As you can hear, it's very noisy again today. The neighbors are with their favorite toy, blowing the leaves. I saw here, pissing me off a little bit. On this side he has like 4 leaves flying around, and okay, and the other one I cannot see it, but it's really every day they have this going on. I don't know. Okay, let me show you first what I did so far. Today, well, the inspection hole I did last video, I finished it after doing the video. So I put the brickwork, more or less finished. The lid is still missing. The lid is missing on all the holes because I don't have any lid. I have only one lid, but it's a plastic lid, and I think we want to put steel lids. A bit more stable and more beautiful, and also we use this way to go by car up here. So if you drive over it, I don't know, the plastic probably is strong enough too, but I think the metal is just more reliable. So let me show you what I did last video, how that looks now, and then I show you what I prepared on the next one, which where I want to put the brickwork today. I put the concrete base there. I'll show you in a moment, but first the one which I did in the last video, how that looks now. So this is the one I did last video. Put just 2 rows of brickwork, and okay, just the lid is missing now. And on this one I prepared already the cement, the concrete base. This one is quite deep because it was very loose material, so I had to excavate quite deep down. And this here, that's a retaining wall. Don't know, it's like 150 or something high, and I haven't even reached the foundation there. I don't know. It's a miracle that this wall hasn't fallen over yet. It's retaining like 1.5 meters of sand on the other side of ground. And as I can see, it's as far as I can see, it's just brickwork. But okay, that's not my problem at the moment. So I want to deal with the inspection hole here and build the brickwork. You can see there's a lot of there are many tubes. There's the 2 big red tubes, which we know already. That those arrive in the inspection hole we did before. Then there's another, where is that? Here, this one. This, and there we want to put a hose through it and to have water here to wash the cars. And then we have 4 little ones. 3 little ones are for power cables, which are continued then in the two big ones. So 3 little ones are continued with the 2 big ones. And then there's one additional little one. This is a tube which is just crossing the driveway in case we need it in the future, but I think that's not so important at the moment. But okay, it's there anyway. So yeah, let's do it. So I want to see how I can fit the bricks there. Whoops, that was my board for my knees. So I didn't plan this beforehand. I just made a hole according to the tubes, and now I'm lucky I can fit 2 bricks in the across, and I think I don't need to put them all the way back here. I would prefer to build a square hole. Could be like, yeah, maybe 2 bricks here. Like this, and maybe just 1 brick here. And then another 2 bricks there. It's pretty much like we had it in the other inspection hole. And this space can be filled again with sand. I've got plenty of sand from excavating the hole. But okay, let's see if we can fit all the tubes there. That's the question. It's a little bit difficult. Here, one or 2 can come from the side. This one and maybe that one, and then it would fit like this. So next thing I'll do is to cut the tubes. But they don't bother me too much. Again with a short knife, going to strike. I know this time a bit better. Wow. And I have to reuse the paper there. Better. So those lines are meant to, of course, to put a cable inside to pull with the cable fixed to the line, but the electrician said normally that doesn't work and this cable would break, so he really hates that cable, and I start hating it too, because it's always just bothering. That was not so nice. Almost a bit too short. Yeah. Maybe I'll cut that later. So now I have quite a lot of sand falling in here. Maybe I come with a vacuum cleaner to get it out, or maybe with a, let's see how I do that. Just with this trowel. Maybe I can just move that to the back. So apparently it's a good idea to soak the bricks in water before using them, to make sure that they don't absorb all the water from the mortar, and that would leave the mortar without water, and then it doesn't cure properly anymore. So to make the mortar, I'm going to use just sand and cement. 2 buckets of sand and a quarter of a bag of cement. In the subtitles I saw, when I say cement, it puts salmon, the fish. So I don't know what I'm pronouncing wrong. Maybe it's cement and not cement. So let's see. Okay, so now I go for the sand. One bucket of sand. So second bucket. So now the cement. Oh, that was a bit more than a quarter of a bag, but okay. Maybe I take a bit out again. So let's go. So I'm going to use this as a level. Normally, of course, it's to measure distances, but it shows nonsense. It's actually dangerous. If it's complete nonsense, okay, you know. But if it's just, don't know, slightly off, you won't notice. So this is that doesn't make me very happy to measure distances. But as a level for the brickwork now, it's quite good because it has a level in this direction and also a level in that direction, so you see both directions at the same time. That's quite handy. too bad. By the way, here I didn't put any drainage brick, because I think I'm going to fill it with some sand because it's so deep. And then the water can just go in the sand, and with time it evaporates or goes somewhere else. And what I don't understand, well, because I'm not a bricklayer, but those bricks, they are longer than twice the width. So to make it fit, you have to put quite a big joint, I think. In my case, because I don't have that, this brick here is longer than what I have at the bottom. That doesn't matter too much to me. So before I place the next brick here, I think I have to let that dry, because I have to push the tubes quite a bit, and then I don't want the rest to fall apart. So, but I think you got the idea. This is enough for this video. So that's yeah, just to get an idea how to do that with the brickwork. I finish that row, put another row on top, and then get a nice lid, and that's it. So thanks a lot for watching. Would also be nice to get some more subscribers, so if you don't mind, hit the subscribe button and like the video, and see you soon. Ciao.